Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, it's a girl Nneka and I'm back with the next video. Today we're in Port Antonio. You see me? Let's go run some errands and stuff, but I'm just gonna give you a little vlog of the day. Yeah. So yeah, I'm giving a rundown what we're gonna do for the day. Right? Well, the afternoon. It's about after 3 right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Knoxford to send off something. I'm gonna buy food and get ice cream and a few little things and then go. So I'm just go showing around Port Antonio. So yeah. About my hair color. This is blue hair wax and I have purple at the front. And it's from Shop Alana. I'm going to put it right here or right there. Don't pre my nails, them really want to do good. Yes. So you guys should go get your hair waxed from Shop Alana. My hair was black before, so you don't have to bleach it or anything. You just put it over it and yeah, you'll see the instruction and all of that. So now we're at DIB Home Center. Do it best. Getting paint and stuff. You know, we have to get festive for the holiday and something. So yeah, after we leave I'm gonna show you guys the place. I don't know, not, but it's just a home center and thing. So yeah. Say hello, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Eastsyde.
So yes guys, that's DIB Home Center. And we get paint. Yeah. Just leave from Knoxford, right? And my sister have a package here for about 3 weeks. I'm gonna say, like when she end up having to pay for the package, she almost paid $2,000 to how much storage fee she have to pay. I was like, wow. But you know who sent the package? Me, cause I sent it from a long time, but like if me didn't know, say, like she never needed ASAP, I would have waited till me come Portland, but I know. But so it goes still. We're going over the Marina. So I'll update you guys. So we're at the Marina, as you mean. Yeah, I don't remember what name. Something Marina. Something. I don't remember. But I'm gonna get the pre. One name though, like somebody name. So why you let out of here, sir? Say hi to the vlog. Hey! Say hi to the vlog. Hey!
How me look?
Guys, please put in the comments how I'm here look. I appreciate it.
Me look bad? Who's perfect?
So we're going to buy ice cream now?
Run, come in.
Guys. Yeah. Buy cake. Yikes.
Hey guys, it's me, the best friend.
I don't want any cake. I'll take the cookie.
You want cookie too?
Yeah.
The tree?
Oh, you want to take 2 cookies for yourself?
Yeah.
No, I'm fine. I'll eat the ones I
You want my
have.
cake then? The one you have in the bag.
You have to disgrace me. Oh, 2 cookies, yes.
Okay.
Guys, we're leaving now. Just leaving them on house and we're heading home. There's nothing more to do. Yes! So, until next time.